Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a shortcut to InPrivate Microsoft Edge browser session. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just right click on a blank area on your desktop, select New, and then select Shortcut. So if you're running a 32-bit version of Windows 10 or any, I guess, Windows 7 or Windows 8 now that Microsoft Edge is available for those versions as well, you want to go ahead and copy the path depending on if you're running a 32 or 64-bit version of the operating system. So the first path will be for 32-bit computers and the second path will be for 64-bit, so just paste in the respective location here. Select next and then select finish. You can name it something else if you want. You can call it private Microsoft Edge as well, whatever you're most comfortable with. And that's pretty much it, guys. Should have been a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.